Ben here. This is going to be a short video introducing you to something that's going to come out next week. On Thursday, September 6th, I'm going to start a new series. This will be a formal, informal, regular, irregular set of short videos, roughly 2 to 3 minutes long or so, covering the most important parts of Latin grammar. I'm calling it the 91 Rules. These short vignettes are designed for those who have already covered the basic foundations of Latin grammar, but who need a bit of a refresher. Hey, we all do from time to time. And these 91 rules will focus on short explanations of important concepts. I'm basing them in part off of the rules of syntax from Allen and Greeno, so they are well sourced and comprehensive. If you're a year or two or more into Latin and you just need a quick review, these are for you. So check in on Thursday of next week, September 6th, for the first of the 91 rules. Apposition.